Okay, today is Tuesday, January 28th, and today I learned a couple things. I learned about a few verses that were just really helpful for my situation, and then there was also a quote that I found very helpful and that I wanted to talk about. So, the first thing, kind of to give some context, yesterday and today, and just like the past couple weeks have been kind of rough. I haven't really been getting that much stuff. I haven't been getting what I need to get done, and I haven't been completing that. And it's just been feels like I'm just going through the motions kind of thing, and I'm not actually being intentional with my work, which is one of the most important things that I'm trying to work on right now. So it's just been kind of rough. I've been waking up late, not getting these certain things done. And today was just I was especially frustrated with that. But today I was actually just looking up at my wall, and I was just trying to find certain things on my wall that were beneficial to me. And I found there's a couple verses on here that are from Proverbs 16. So I just went to that chapter and wanted to I kind of just read the whole thing. So I'm just going to say a couple of the verses that I found really helpful as I was just getting stressed because my day and my week hasn't been going as planned. One of them is verse 3 of chapter 16. Commit your work to the Lord and your plans will be established. The Lord has made everything for its purpose, even the wicked for the day of trouble. One that was really beneficial was verse 9. The heart of a man plans his way, but the Lord establishes his steps. So it was almost like I was trying to plan my way, and then I just got angry and I got frustrated when the Lord was establishing my steps, even though that's what you would hope to happen, right? So today I was kind of just trying to learn trust in the Lord, even through small things like planning your day out. So that's kind of what I've been learning today, just trust. And through those few verses, I was kind of able to trust more in the Lord, I guess, with my day, trust him with my day. And then another verse is Colossians 3:23, which says, whatever you do, work heartily as for the Lord and not for men. So that was something that I was kind of working for myself rather than working for the Lord, and it just didn't turn out very well. And then I was surprised by that. So those were just some few verses that helped me to just trust God with my plans rather than to trust myself and to just establish my plans and then just hope, or not even hope, to expect for it to go exactly that way when that's clearly not going to happen and he has different plans for me. And one thing that I was thinking about is that whatever has happened in your life, that's been part of God's plan. And we just don't know what his plan is for us. So when we try to plan our day, you can't just assume that your plan and God's plan will perfectly align, because why would they align, right? Because I'm a fallen human, but he's the creator of the universe, right? So how would it happen that my plan was perfectly aligned with what he planned for my day, right? So if I try to plan my day and I expect that is going to be perfectly aligned, then that's just me. In a way, I'm acting like God, right? I'm trying to be the God of my own life, which is just wrong. So today has just been a good learning point for just trusting in God and trusting in his plans for me, even if it's something really small, right? Just trusting that my plan was wrong for some reason. I don't know why, but that's not what he planned for me, and I just need to trust in his plan for me instead of getting stressed about how it didn't go my way, right? Because I'm always wanting I want my day to go my way so I can do the things that I want, but really I should be thinking I should be doing the things that God wants for me God's way, right? And then there was a quote that I heard today that was particularly helpful, and it went something like, if you know what you're worth, then go and get what you're worth, but you have to be able to take the hits along the way. And I just felt like that was kind of a very relatable quote, because a lot of times I'd be thinking I have lots of potential and I know what I could, how good I could become, or this thing that I could become. So if I know what my worth is, if I know what I could become, then I have to go and get that. but I have to be able to take the hits. Like a lot of times I'll be trying to go and get that, but then I will just completely get knocked down after one trial or inconvenience or one hit, and then I completely break down, right? So you have to be able to take the hits. You have to persevere. And that's just something else I've been learning recently. No matter, like, life is hard and not every day is going to be fine and dandy, right? You got to be able to take the hits and learn from them and get back up and do better next time, and just to continue going after what you know you're worth, right? Or keep going after trying to fulfill your potential kind of thing. So that is what I've been learning today. Hopefully it was helpful for you. If it was, then I'd love to hear a comment, like the video. Go on my Patreon for if you just want discussion posts and like diagrams and things like that. I'm kind of like consolidating and writing diagrams for like the things I'm talking about in these videos, or just things I've been thinking about, things I've been learning aside from what I share on here. So that's on my Patreon. There's also a community chat where you guys can share what you learned today. So there's a free version and there's a paid version, but that's chill. I'm just trying to grow a wholesome community of people who are trying to get better at life and just think logically and think intellectually along the way. So I guess that's kind of what I'm trying to do over there. So join my Patreon. That's in the description. If you like this video, then hit the like button. I'm posting every single day talking about what I learned that day, how I'm trying to apply it to my life, and how you guys can apply it to yours. So if you want to see those kinds of videos, then definitely subscribe. This video is specifically recommended for you, so if you find that interesting, then definitely click on it. You can subscribe in that corner. And if you subscribe, I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.